Well, alright guys, this is what we got for today. It's a big project. You gotta take that bush, that bush, that bush, that bush, that tree. It is a tree right there. And then I just tested a little bit. I didn't get that on video. I should have, but I didn't. Oh well. But we gotta remove that, and then we're gonna remove all the grass as well. So let's get her done. Nice. Well, all right. Got an update for you. Got another bush out. And got that one trimmed. Had to trim them two up and then dig them out. Oh yeah. I'm taking it all and putting it over there.
Deep bass banging feels just right. Strong vibes rolling, drum line heavy. This groove's alive, keep your tempo steady. Feel the heat, let it rise in your chest. Bounce to the rhythm, no need for rest. Groove so fierce, gonna light the streets. We own the night, feel the heat. Moonlight sharp slicing through the fog.
Progress update. Got all that going. Now we're working on grading it out. Pretty good. Only thing we got are those over there left. And that's it. Just those. Well, all right. We got all the bushes besides this little bush, the little bush behind that bush, these bushes. Well, we have everything done. Well, not everything done. We have all this the way it needs to be. Looks good. Needs to be hit with a rake. And then we got this pile right here. I'm just raking it on back as I go on out. All right. All right, all right, all right. We are back once again. Now we're back up, update, just got here. And now we're gonna finish her up. All right. Update on how everything's going. Well, we've gotten a little bit farther now. This is where this area right here is where we started at for today. And as you can see, I got in the big pile all the way done. Now we just got all that and the rest of that. That's it. All right. She is done. Besides that, that's the only thing I gotta come back for is move the dirt. But everything else is graded down to the rough. It's a rough grade. It's not the final grade. Someone else is coming in and doing it. But she looks good. She looks damn good. And then we have the final piece. She is all dug up. Oh, excuse me. I loved it. All right. Let's go home.